ions.
Yes. No, my question is, Bhavit, now it's your turn only. Tell me what happens when this NaOH is added to water. What happens when these pellets, I told you this comes in tablets or pellets. Yes, Bhavit?
Ma'am, I didn't in the last class.
No, it was not in the last class. I guess you were there, Bhavit. Uh, uh, okay, who? It was in the last chapter, Bhavit. You attended that. Who will tell me? Okay, Shan has raised his hand. Tell me.
Ma'am, it is very aggressive in nature when it is added into water.
Yes. What do we call that term? Who will tell me? Just raise your hand. Who will tell me the term that is used for that? Not aggressive. It is something else in chemistry.
Vigorous.
No.
Neutralization.
No.
Reactive. Reactive, ma'am.
No. No. No.
Alkyls.
No. Yes. Yes. This is it. The reaction is highly exothermic. अरे याद होगा हमने पढ़ा था जब आदिल ने इस जार को पकड़ा था और बताया था कि पैलेट्स डालनी है पानी में. आदिल आपने हाँ तो फिर सबको याद होना चाहिए. यस भवित याद आया बेटे. मैंने बताया था कि अगर ये कमल. यस कमल. Better, you're not audible. Your voice is cracking. Just write down the message. This was highly exothermic. अगर मैंने आपको बताया था कि आदिल ने पानी का बीकर पकड़ा हुआ है और उसमें गलती से मैंने ये टैबलेट्स, ये NaOH की पैलेट्स मिलती हैं, जैसे व्हाइट कलर की गोलियां होती हैं पैलेट्स, और आदिल ने को मैंने कहा बताया था कि यू आर नॉट सपोज टू टच in chemistry lab. It looks as if you are containing, you are holding water, but it is not always water. It can be dangerous acid. तो आदिल ने जैसे ही देखा कि एक टेबलेट एक पैलेट डाली है, उसमें से वो एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन थी, हीट स्टार्ट्स टू कम आउट और वो पानी उबलना शुरू हो गया. देयर इज राइज इन टेम्परेचर एंड इट बिकम्स सो हॉट कि अगर आदिल ने उसे ज्यादा देर होल्ड किया तो हाथ भी जल सकता है और उसको स्पिल हो जाएगा. ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
So whether you add, now my answer is, this is an experiment from your NCERT and I told you to be attentive in the class. So इससे पता चला कि क्लास कितनी अटेंटिव है. शाबाश. सबको आता था आंसर ये. तो NaOH अगर आप पानी में डालते हो तो this reaction is highly exothermic and there will be observation will be rise in temperature. तो इससे पता चला whether you add base to water or you add acid to water, both the reactions will be, yes,
Exothermic.
exothermic. Now, who is ready to give me the answer? Just raise your hand. Who is ready for the question? Another question. Yes, be ready. Okay.
Ma'am, from which chapter, ma'am?
This chapter, or maybe first. सिर्फ chemistry में ये बच्चे, it's from your knowledge. I can see that you are attentive in the, oh wow, Himani, Prabjot, okay, they have joined just now, but Prabjot, Himani, बाकी बच्चे सब stars सब कहाँ पे? Nobody has raised his or her hand. Yes, Komal, Kamal, Rohan, Kaya, Janvi, I cannot see your raised hand. Okay, so first one is Harika. Okay, unmute yourself, Harika. This question is from you. Which one is safe? Water should be added to acid or acid should be added to water?
Water to acid.
Water to acid. How many of you agree with Harika? Water to acid. Raise your hand. All those who have raised their hand, lower down your hands. How many of you are agreed to Harika that it is safe to add water to acid? Okay, चार जने कह रहे हैं, भवित, जानवी, श्रेया, प्रभ. यश, रोहन, हिमानी.
No, ma'am, acid in water.
हाँ, are you sure?
Yes, ma'am. Acid in water, ma'am.
हाँ.
Acid to water.
बच्चे
It
Ma'am,
is
हारिका
acid
ने
correct.
in water.
यस हारिका ने क्विट कर दिया यार. यस जो बच्चे उसको साथ भी दे रहे थे उसने खुद ने क्विट किया. तो बताओ मुझे. आई एम नॉट श्योर विच वन इज बेटर.
Ma'am, acid in water. Ma'am, acid in water, ma'am.
Ma'am, acid in
Ma'am, acid in water.
यस यस. तो बच्चों ये देखो आप ऐड करते हो एसिड इन वाटर. if there is a jar of water and you have put acid to it, it will create a sound. मैंने बताया था ऐसे लगेगा जर्र करके sound आएगी.
Yes.
And it will get mixed. But my dear friends, if you add, if it is this jar is full of acid and you try to put water into it, my dear friends, water should never be added to acid, because when water is added to acid, the heat produces so large that it may cause the mixture to splash out and burn the person standing near to it. Now, how many of you are clear with this term?
Ma'am, so it is always acid to water.
Yes, it is always acid to water. Okay, please write down now. Write down this activity, please, everyone. जो आपके screen पे दिख रहा है.
Ma'am, what
Well-
about bases?
पहले हम basis का ही लिखेंगे. जो आपके screen पे लिखा है वो लिखो. Aim to show mixing of base in water is exothermic. To show mixture of base and water is an exothermic reaction.
Ma'am, this is observation.
Ma'am, can
No,
you
this-
repeat the aim?
Yes, this is aim. Aim to show mixing of base in water is exothermic. Mixing of base in water is an exothermic reaction.
Mixing of base.
Mixing of base in water is exothermic reaction. Observation लिखो. There is rise in temperature. तो आप लिख रहे हो mixing of base in water is exothermic. Observation लिखो. There is rise in temperature. There is rise in temperature. Conclusion लिखो. Conclusion लिखो. Dissolution of base in water is exothermic. Dissolution of base in water is exothermic. Dissolution of base in water is exothermic. तो इससे कंक्लूजन मिला आदिल को और पूरी क्लास को. कंक्लूजन लिखो. Dissolution of base in water is exothermic. So एक सबसे नीचे नोट लिखना. Water should never be. हारिका अब आंसर आपके पास है. Water should never be added to dilute acids. Water should never be added to dilute acids. Because heat produced is so large, water should never be added to dilute acid because heat produced is so large that it may cause. Water should never be added to dilute acid because heat produced is so large that it may cause mixture to splash out. Water should never be added to dilute acid because heat produced is so large that it may cause mixture to splash out and burn the person standing near it.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Very good. तो अब देखो अगर आप लोग समझते हो ये चीज को बार बार हम कह रहे हैं. Okay, very good, Kamal. देखो H water जो acids हैं they produces H ions in water, bases will produce OH negative ions in water. ठीक है? Yes Shreya, yes Yash, yes Rohan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So acid will produce H positive ions, bases will produce OH negative ions. Okay. Bases will produce OH negative ions. अब एक इसी के बेसिस पे एक स्पेशल चीज आप पढ़ोगे दैट इज पीएच स्केल. अब कैसे वैल्यू इसकी एग्जैक्ट फाइंड करते हैं? दिस वाज गिवन बाय पीएच स्केल. पीएच स्केल वाज devised by a scientist known as Sorensen. He devised a scale known as pH scale on which strength of acid solution as well as basic. So acid or basic find करने के लिए we need to have this pH scale. Strength
Ma'am,
of
can you repeat pH scale? I got disconnected.
okay. मुझे देखो I have just now started with this new topic कि आपको H positive और OH negative समझ आ रहा है, but how we can calculate the values of it? For this, a scientist Sorensen has designed a pH scale. pH scale is what? It gives the strength of acid. It gives the strength of acidic solution as well as basic solution. ठीक है, तो आपने एसिड सॉल्यूशन को कैलकुलेट करना है, बेसिक सॉल्यूशन को कैलकुलेट करना है. सो फॉर दिस पीएच सॉल्यूशन, पीएच स्केल इज गिवन. इट्स अ स्केल में स्केल हैज टू लिमिट्स. इसमें एक्सट्रीम्स हैं 0 to 14, मिड में आता है 7. 7 इज न्यूट्रल. जितना आप 7 से नीचे जाओगे देयर विल बी एसिड, इट विल बी मोर एसिडिक. तो acidic nature increases as we move down and basic character increases as we move up. तो इसका मतलब अगर किसी का pH 12 है, एसिडिक है कि बेसिक है?
Basic.
Ma'am,
Basic.
basic.
बेसिक बिकॉज 7 से 14 के बीच में जो भी वैल्यू आएगी
एसिडिक.
नो बेसिक रजे, बेसिक. 7 से ऊपर है ना बेसिक, 7 से नीचे है एसिडिक. प्रभजोत आप भी दोबारा सुनो. आई गेस देयर इज सम नेटवर्क इशू एट योर एंड. बहुत ध्यान से, यस ध्यान से देखो, स्क्रीन पे लिखा हुआ है पीएच जो है, अगर आपने एसिड और बेसिक को काउंट करना है, इसको मेजर करना है, then there is a scale which was devised by Sorensen scientist का नाम है. It is important for NTSC point of view. It is not given in NCERT. Sorensen devised a scale which is known as pH scale. pH scale gives us the strength of acidic or basic solution. So it's a scale with two ends, 0 and 14. बीच में आता है 7. 7 से 0 के बीच में acidic character आएगा, 7 से 14 के बीच में basic. तो मैंने अगर आपको वैल्यू दी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल pH is 14 या pH is 12, then it is basic. It comes in between basic. Basic के बीच में आ रहा है, 7 और 14 के बीच में आ रहा है basic.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, बोलो
So
सौम्या.
it means H2O will be 7.
H2O is 7. Yes, very good. H2O is neutral. You're right. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
pH 7 neutral बहुत सारी चीजों को होता है, but generally it is the water which we take as neutral. अगर हम बात करें salt, that is also called as neutral salt, but water makes it neutral. जब पानी में घुला हुआ नमक होगा, that is neutral. Okay. तो जब पानी में घुला हुआ होता है, so again there is some problem with network. Okay, फिर उसके बाद देखो pH जो है increases, acidic characters increases as we move down, as we move up it basic characters increases. तो मैंने आपको शायद बताया भी था कि I used to give pH paper to everyone जिसमें हम pH ऐसे सिंपल सा एक शीट होती है, I have that paper. तो पेपर रोल में है, रोल ऐसे रोल है, वो बिल्कुल पतली सी थिन सी शीट है एंड pH is hydrogen ion concentration. pH की फुल फॉर्म है हाइड्रोजन आयन कंसंट्रेशन. ओके, या इसको बोला जाता है पोटेंस ऑफ हाइड्रोजन. पोटेंस मींस कैपेसिटी ऑफ H आयंस.
ओके.
तो ये pH जो पेपर है, इसको हम छोटी छोटी स्ट्रिप्स काटते थे और आप एक्टिविटी एज एन एक्टिविटी करते थे. आप pH का छोटा टुकड़ा अपनी सलाइवा यू नो व्हाट इज सलाइवा, स्पिट, अपनी थूक पे बिफोर टेकिंग मील, आफ्टर टेकिंग मील, लेमन जूस में पुट कर दिया, कैरेट जूस में पुट कर दिया. तो बिफोर मील, आफ्टर मील, लेमन जूस. ऑब्वियसली लेमन जूस क्या होगा, एसिडिक और बेसिक?
Acidic.
Acidic because it has, yes, Soumya, which acid is present?
I don't know.
Citrus.
Anyone? Yes, citric acid. कॉफी एसिडिटी करती है कि बेसिसिटी? क्या ये ठीक होती है कॉफी, सौम्या? Is this coffee good for your health? Who will say
Ma'am,
Yes.
it is
No.
bad.
it is
No.
bad?
No.
No, but why?
Ma'am, because the caffeine increases. Caffeine.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
caffeine
Tobacco.
causes problems. Caffeine
Yes.
causes problems.
Yes, caffeine is habit forming and it causes problem. It creates acidity. So it's again acidic. तो ज्यादा कॉफी भी नहीं पीनी चाहिए. It is acidic. It has range from 5 to 6. Who will tell me your tap water is neutral or it is acidic or basic? जो नल में पानी आ रहा है.
Acidic.
Basic.
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 Okay. I'll tell you. It depends from place to place.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
it's neutral.
No, it's never neutral. It's hardly neutral. It's really neutral. It ranges between 6 to 8.
Ma'am,
Sometimes the
so
water,
it is not even neutral and it's not even acidic.
yes, not neutral, not acidic, not basic even. So if it is, yes, Shan, I know. There is network issue at your end. अच्छा देखो अभी ये प्रॉब्लम, ये जो पानी है, if you go to Zirakpur site, anyone from Zirakpur site now? Anyone from there, Zirakpur site? Okay, Kaya. Yes, Kaya. Kaya, have you seen that everybody has to go for water purifier there? And if you don't apply water purifier, these sink basins, they turn yellow. Even your sinks in the kitchen, they turn yellow or they form patches if they are not cleaned regularly. Yes, have you faced this problem, Kaya?
No, ma'am, not yet.
Okay, maybe you're living in a society, so maybe the water is clean, the water is better you are getting, but the area, the people, they are facing this problem. The water is acidic, and the water has to be made neutral because this acidic water is making your basins dirty. Okay, so agar aap, it varies from place to place. It can be neutral also. You are making it neutral by adding minerals, salts, purifier jab hum laga dete hain, it is turned neutral. So it ranges between this to this. क्या आपके लिए तेजाब वाला पानी अच्छा होगा पीना?
No.
No, not at all. अगर मैं बात करूं, this question is from you, Yash. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yash, what will be the pH of NaOH? What will be the pH of NaOH? Okay, Bhavit.
Neutral.
Okay, Adil.
7. 13.
Okay, anyone else?
Ma'am,
Maybe something like
7.
6.7.
Okay.
Then 7.
Ma'am,
which
I
is-
would go with 13.
Okay, but you
Ma'am,
can
10.
see that. Okay. अच्छा पहले तो देखो OH है, न्यूट्रल तो होगा ही नहीं. It will be a base because bases will give OH negative ion. It is not neutral. Okay.
Yes.
So pH will not be 7. Yes. pH should be more than 7 because it's a base. And my dear friends, I have already told you this thing that it is a strong base. तो इसकी वैल्यू कितनी होनी चाहिए प्यारे बच्चों? अब बताओ.
Ma'am, 13.
No.
14.
14. Yes. और ये बात हो चुकी है हमारी. pH is 14. Highly basic. अब फिर से मेरा क्वेश्चन है सबके लिए. मुझे लग रहा है कि आप लोग अटेंटिव नहीं हो क्लास में. No one. अच्छा, HCl. What will be the pH of HCl? Who will tell me? Bhavit, you try. What will be the pH of HCl?
1 to 0.
Okay, yes, this is the answer. 0 to 1, okay, because it is highly acidic. Okay. Tomato है, क्या होगा? टमाटर, acid basic. Yes, Shreya? Acidic, because इसके अंदर होता है oxalic acid. टमाटर, नींबू, कहते हैं फेस पे ना स्क्रब करो.
Yes.
है ना? तो टमाटर क्यों लगाते हैं? Even potatoes they are used. Yes, Adil? Tomato, potato, lemon. These things are used because they act as cleanser because they all have acid in them.
Orange also.
Yes, ma'am.
orange.
Orange peels.
Orange peel. So,
Ma'am,
mhm.
what about ocean water? It's salty, so
आप बताओ क्या होना चाहिए? Who will tell me? Ocean water or salty water? Is it acidic or basic or neutral?
Basic.
Ma'am, neutral.
Okay, Vijay, you have to tell me this answer in the next class. Everyone.
Basic.
Basic.
अब आप लोग सोच के बताना. I'm telling salt, which is neutral, water, which is neutral. So how will this water pH will be, whether it is acidic, basic, or neutral? You have to tell me the answer.
Acid.
हाँ, acid. Okay, सभी के answers vary कर रहे हैं.
I'm
neutral
not
भी-
acid, neither basic.
Okay, you say it's
Ma'am,
neutral.
please repeat the question.
बच्चे नमक वाला पानी है, oceanic water है, ocean का जो पानी है, sea water, that is acidic or basic or neutral?
ma'am, I would go with
Basic ही होगा.
neutral. Neutral.
Yes.
Okay, okay. बहुत सारे आंसर्स हैं. रब ने पहले न्यूट्रल बोला, फिर बेसिक. Okay, no worries. I am giving you time. Take your time. आराम से ये ढूंढ के बताओगे. अब आप ये
Ma'am,
एक्टिविटी. Yes.
Because it has acidic and bases both.
If it is neutral, can you drink that water then? Is it safe to drink that water?
No, ma'am. There
No,
is
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
So
And my
it's
dear
not a
friends-
neutral, ma'am.
My dear friends, and it is seen that most of the earth is covered with water, and that water is oceanic water that cannot be used for drinking purposes. This is the main reason life is very short on the planet Earth, because source of fresh water is very low. It is only glaciers or rivers, and we have this much source for fresh water. Otherwise, puri earth jo hai, that is covered with this salty water, and we cannot drink it. So you have to find, because I'm telling you, it is made up of both the neutral things. Salt be neutral hai or water be neutral. Then you have to tell me this answer. And please read out this activity. Unmute yourself, Harika. Please read this activity.
2.10.
Hello. Yes, 2.12.
Put about 2 grams soil in a test tube and add 5 ml water to it. Shake the contents of the test tube. Filter the contents and collect the filtrate in a test tube. Check the pH of this filtrate with the help of universal indicator paper. What can you conclude about the ideal
Harika?
soil?
Harika, stop बेटे. बेटे ये वाला आपने पढ़नी है activity to determine the pH of various substances with the help of pH paper. I guess
Ma'am,
it's
actually, we
Uh-huh.
didn't do 2.10.
13.
Oh, sorry, 2.9.
2.9. Okay, start with that activity, Harika. To
Ma'am,
determine
have
the
we
pH.
done 2.10 now? I guess we have done that.
2.10. Tell me the activity. Actually, I don't have NCRT right now with me. Can you just tell me which one is 2.10? Mixing
Ma'am,
of
2.10 is take 10, add few drops of concentrated H2SO4 to it and fold the beaker slowly.
नहीं, not yet. अच्छा सेम वही होगा इसमें एसिड को पानी में डालोगे the reaction will be highly exothermic, there will be rise in temperature same as that of base. So yes. So just speak out this activity to determine the pH of various substances.
Ma'am, but we haven't done 2.9.
2.9. Which activity is that? 2.9.
Pre-preparation of HCl gas.
Preparation of HCl gas. Not
Yes,
getting-
ma'am. Okay, I
Okay.
will read the procedure. Take
Mhm.
about 1 gram of solid NaCl in a clean, dry test tube and set up the apparatus as shown in figure 2.4. Add some concentrated sulfuric acid to the test tube. What do you observe? Is there a gas coming out of the delivery tube? Test the gas evolves successfully with dry and wet blue litmus paper.
Got it. Okay, we'll do that this activity later on. पहले ये वाली continue करते हैं. I got it. Which activity you're talking about? We'll do this activity इसके बाद. Next to this activity. Okay, Harika, continue.
I didn't get which activity you're talking about.
बच्चे ये to determine 2.10 you said? Yes, Chahat?
No, it's
No,
H2SO4.
2.9. 2.9.
हाँ, 2.9. 2.9. Okay.
2.9 is the NaCl and sulfuric acid one.
No, not that one. To determine the pH of it, I think it is under pH paper. pH वाली जो है ना, उसके अंदर है.
Ma'am, it's activity 2.12.
हाँ, 2.12. Yes, that is what I said.
2.12. I was
2.7.
saying 2.12 only earlier.
नहीं, to determine the pH of various substances. Is some?
Yes, a lot
हाँ.
of many salts given. That
Yes. Carry on. Yes.
2.30. Write the
Okay.
formula of the salts given below: potassium sulfate, sodium sulfate, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, copper sulfate, sodium chloride, sodium nitrate, sodium carbonate, and ammonium chloride. Identify the acids and bases from which the above salts may be obtained. Salts having the same positive or negative radicals are said to belong to a family. For example, NaCl and Na2SO4 belong to the family of sodium salts. Similarly, NaCl and KCl belong to the family of chloride salts. How many families can you identify among the salts given in this activity?
Okay. बच्चे move to the topic pH. pH जहाँ topic दिया है उसके अंदर जो भी कोई activity read out that activity.
Okay. Collect the following salts examples: sodium chloride, potassium nitrate, aluminium
Ma'am,
chloride,
I
zinc
know
sulfate,
which topic you're
copper
talking
sulfate,
about.
sodium acetate, sodium carbonate, and sodium hydrogen carbonate. Check the solubility in water. Check the action of the solutions or litmus and find the pH using a pH paper. Which of these salts are acidic, basic, or neutral? Identify the acid or base used to form the salt. Report your observations in table 2.4.
Okay. बच्चे ये activity I guess yes.
Ma'am, may I
Yes.
speak? Activity
Yes.
2.11. Test the pH values of solutions given in table 2.2. Record your observations. What is the nature of each substance on the basis of your observations?
Yes.
The solutions are saliva, before meal, after meal, lemon juice, colorless aerated drink, carrot juice, coffee, tomato juice, tap water, 1 m NOH, 1 m HCl.
Okay. Yes. NaOH और HCl वाला ही है. Yes. मुझे
Ma'am, it's on page 26, top
Okay.
paragraph.
So, Vijay, you have to observe what is the color change in case of saliva before meal, after meal, lemon juice, coffee, tomato, tap water, NaOH, and HCl. Okay. So please write down to determine the pH of various substances.
Ma'am, can you wait for a minute? I'll just come back.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, how do you explain NaCl is neutral?
But it has both the ions, negative as well as positive ions, Na positive or Cl negative. So it has both the ions, positive and negative ions. That is why it is called as.
But doesn't pH have to relate with only hydrogen ions?
No, which any ions, both the ions.
And what was the aim of 2.11 activity?
Which is to determine the pH of various substances. To determine the pH of various substances. To determine the pH of various substances. So just make a chart जिसमें saliva before meal. अच्छा, अब जब हमने खाना नहीं खाया तो एसिडिक होगा, बेसिक होगा?
Acidic.
एसिडिक. कहते हैं रात का जो है ना आपका सलाइवा जो स्पिट होती है आपके मुंह की बहुत ज्यादा एसिडिक होती है, इसलिए आई टोल्ड यू दैट सलाइवा इज सो स्ट्रॉन्ग एंटीसेप्टिक दैट यू कैन यूज इट ऑन योर पिंपल्स और एनी वुंड. कोई चोट लगी है उस पे आप यूज कर सकते हो. इट एक्ट एज एन एंटीसेप्टिक. So it's just about science. It is not that you always have to put that because it will create smell or. So I hope you are getting my point. It is highly acidic in nature. तो सलाइवा जो है रात का जब वो हमारा पूरा डाइजेशन होता है, जो भी आप खा के सोए हो अगले मॉर्निंग तक, the saliva remains in the mouth. It creates acidic part. And to your surprise, आप लोग पहले एक बार सुन लेना कि if the pH it should be less than 7 or more than 7. कमल अगर एसिडिक है 7 से नीचे होना चाहिए, 7 से ऊपर. आई एम गोइंग टू दैट पेज once again. एसिडिक 7 से नीचे है कि 7 से ऊपर? लुक ऑन योर स्क्रीन एंड टेल मी द आंसर.
Acidic.
एसिडिक. वेरी गुड. नहीं, एसिडिक क्या 7 से नीचे कि 7 से ऊपर? बिलो 7 और अबव 7? यस कमल.
Below 7.
Yes, it's below 7. Very good. तो एसिडिक में ये तो पता चल गया कि बिलो 7 होना चाहिए. तो it can be 6, it can be 5, it can be 6, it can be 6.5. If it goes beyond 5.5, below this, अगर आपके मुंह का pH 5.5 से नीचे आता है, below 5.5, then your tooth decay occurs. दांत में कीड़ा लग जाएगा. Why tooth decay occurs? Because मुंह जो है आपका पूरा तेजाब से भर गया, एसिडिक हो गया. And this pH is favorable for the growth of bacteria. होता क्या है, रात को आप खाना खा के सोए हो, you have eaten pizza or something like that जो stuff था, दांतों के आसपास फंस गया, cavities में, दांतों के जो आसपास gums में, and your pH of your mouth is below, it goes down because आपने उसके बाद स्वीट डिश भी खाई, आइसक्रीम भी खा ली, पिज्जा खाया, आइसक्रीम खाई, pH जो चला गया हमारा डाउन 5.5, तो इस पे बैक्टीरिया एक्ट करते हैं and they create pores or holes within this teeth or within this gums. So ये याद रखना, pH should be, we should never go down. That is why we do brushing. Brushing से हमारा pH जो है neutral हो जाता है. और अभी बात भूलनी नहीं है किसी ने भी. I've given you the value of pH also. Tooth decay starts at pH 5.5 or less than this. तो saliva जो है आप लोग लिख रहे थे ये part, to write down to determine the pH of various substances. तो इसमें सबसे पहले लिखो saliva before meal. BM means before meal. pH paper आपका color देगा green, which is acidic. Saliva before meal, pH होगा green, acidic. Next लिखो saliva after meal.
Ma'am, value of pH before saliva, sorry, before meal.
Before meal, it will be around 6.8. Okay.
Ma'am, what
Before-
was the saliva pH value before meal?
Before meal was 6.8. After meal लिखो again green, acidic, but value will be 6.3. Value will be 6.3. Next लिखो lemon juice.
Ma'am, please tell of after meal.
Sorry, repeat.
Ma'am, please tell of food saliva after meal.
After meal है बच्चे 6.3 acidic. Next is lemon juice. pH paper will turn green, sorry, orange.
Ma'am, value of lemon juice.
Lemon juice 2.4.
2.4.
2.4.
2.2 लिखा है मैम बुक में.
हाँ कोई बात नहीं 2.4 2.2 ओके. कई बार नींबू ज्यादा खट्टे होते हैं, कई बार मीठे होते हैं, थोड़े बेटर होते हैं. नेक्स्ट लिखो कॉफी.
Ma'am, in the book, after lemon juice, it is colorless aerated drink.
Okay, write down that one. Colorless aerated drink. Color उसका लिख लो yellowish orange. Range between 2 to 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Range between 2 to 3 or acidic. Next लिखो carrot juice.
Yes, ma'am.
Acidic. और इसमें लिखो कैरेट जूस में ग्रीन कलर 6.4. नेक्स्ट लिखो कॉफी. कॉफी में लिखो येलो ग्रीन।
मैम कॉफी हो गया।
कॉफी हो गया, ओके। येलो ग्रीन 5 to 6 लिख लिया। एसिडिक,
Ma'am, we haven't done coffee.
ओके लिखो कॉफी। कॉफी इज येलो ग्रीन, pH 5 to 6, acidic.
मैम वी हैव डन कॉफी।
ओके ओके बच्चे, कोई बात नहीं। ओके, नेक्स्ट लिखो टोमेटो जूस। टोमेटो जूस में लिखो कलर विल बी येलो, एसिडिक, pH 4। नेक्स्ट लिखो टैप वाटर। तो टैप वाटर मैंने आपको दोनों रेंज दे दी हैं कि कैन बी एसिडिक, लिखी हुई है आपकी स्क्रीन पे 6.5 to 8।
Excuse
इसका
me, ma'am.
यस,
Ma'am, can you tell tomato juice pH value?
pH value tomato juice is 4, it is acidic।
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, color of pH
Uh,
paper in tap water.
टैप वाटर में it will be from green to blue। और नेक्स्ट लिखो 1 मोलर NaOH। 1 मोलर या मोलर बोलते हैं, M says मोलर। 1 molar NaOH, it is blue, highly
What was the
basic।
pH value of tap water?
टैप वाटर की 6 to 8 लिखी हुई है बच्चे स्क्रीन पे, 6.5 to 8। Write down for 1 molar NaOH, it is blue, pH 14, basic।
Ma'am, what is the pH?
pH is 14। और नेक्स्ट लिखो 1 मोलर HCl में लिख लो, it will be highly acidic, red, और pH is 0।
Ma'am,
0.2।
the nature of tap water will be basic or neutral?
Nature will be both acidic basic, क्योंकि 6.5 acidic है, 8 basic।
Ma'am, in HCl I've written 0 to 1. Is
हाँ,
it
0 to
fine?
1, yes yes, 0 to 1 is fine। It will be red, acidic।
Ma'am,
Now
what is
what
the
is, yes,
ma'am color?
color color of NaOH blue, color of HCl red।
Okay, ma'am.
Now write down importance of pH in everyday life। very 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 interesting question। कहते हैं इसके बगैर काफी चीजें हैं जो मुश्किल होंगी। तो what is its importance in everyday life? अभी अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था कि importance of pH in daily life is, importance में इसकी बुराइयां भी लिखेंगे और अच्छाइयां भी। तो अगर हम बात करें हमारे डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम की, स्टमक में हमारा पीएच क्या था? Who will tell me? Just raise your hand. What was the pH in digestive system in human? Yes, it was less than 7. Okay, it was acidic. Can you tell me the exact? Okay. Yes, Prab, it is 0 to 1.
Ma'am, 0 to 1 because of
Yes.
HCl.
Yes. Importance of pH in daily life. तो इसमें अभी आपने पढ़ा कि pH in our digestive system, और अभी बच्चों ने बताया it is 0 to 1 because of the
0
presence
to
of
1.
because of the presence of
HCl.
HCl.
HCl, which has pH of around 0 to 1. अभी आपने पढ़ा
Hydrochloride.
yes, highly acidic. तो क्या ये हमारे पेट के लिए यूजफुल है? Who will tell me? Just raise your hand. Whether it
Yes.
is okay, just raise your hand. Okay, Himani, you're the first one to raise. Tell me, how is it useful in our stomach? Himani, unmute yourself, please.
It produces some acid.
Okay. नहीं, why this acid is useful? ये पूछा मैंने बेटे. Let her बेटे. Yes, it reduces HCl, you're right, but why it is useful?
To digest the food.
Yes, to digest proteins and to activate pepsin, to digest protein. Okay, Prab, very
And
good.
trypsin.
And any other point?
Trypsin.
To kill germs.
To kill germs.
Killing of germs.
Yes. तो हमारे लिए फायदा ही फायदा हो रहा है. प्रोटीन्स भी डाइजेस्ट हो रहे हैं, जैसे चिकन, किसी का मांस. बेटे हमारा जो सिस्टम है दैट इज नॉट मेड टू म्यूट योरसेल्फ. हु इज दिस? ओके, बच्चे देखो, हमारे जो सिस्टम है दैट इज नॉट फिट फॉर डाइजेशन ऑफ फ्लेश. वो कार्निवोर्स का होता है. कार्निवोर्स में अगर आपको पता है, टॉप कार्निवोर पे हम बोलते हैं लॉयन और टाइगर. क्या वो घास फूस खाते हैं? नो, बिकॉज दे आर कार्निवोर्स, दे हैव कार्निवोरस सिस्टम. उनका जो स्टमक है या पेट है दैट कैन डाइजेस्ट फ्लेश, बट आवर स्टमक कैन नॉट डाइजेस्ट फ्लेश बिकॉज इट इज रिच इन प्रोटीन. बट अगर आप बार बार खा रहे हो तो आवर स्टमक हैज टू सिक्रीट HCl इन ऑर्डर टू बर्न दैट फ्लेश. जला देता है. मैंने आपको बताया था इतना तेजाब है कि वो काला हो जाएगा खाना, बट एज इट इज इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन तो वो काला नहीं होता, इट टर्न्स इनटू ग्रीन. और ग्रीन कलर मैंने अभी बताया किसकी वजह से था. आप सबने लिखा है एसिडिक में कौन सा कलर आता है? प्यारे बच्चों, लुक ऑन योर टेबल एंड टेल मी.
Ma'am, saliva.
Anything which is acidic, is it? It is green?
Yes, ma'am, saliva.
Yes, anything which is acidic is green. Lemon juice, carrot juice. Yes. So आप लोगों को समझ आ गया होगा कि जब वो ग्रीन कलर का खाना जो है जल जाता है, क्योंकि it cannot be digested as such. तो this pH is very important for our stomach. अब मेरे को ये कौन बताएगा, in order to release this acidity, आपके पेट में बहुत एसिडिक पार्ट हो गया है, तो in order to release this acidity we use something.
ENO.
Yash, can you tell me what is there in ENO? ऐसा क्या है उसके अंदर?
मैम बेस होता है, से वो हमारा स्टमक में HCl वो होता है, HCl को न्यूट्रलाइज कर देता है.
न्यूट्रलाइज करने के लिए मैम.
बिल्कुल ठीक है, बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे हो आप लोग. बट मुझे कौन बताएगा, ये हमने पढ़ा हुआ है, नेम ऑफ दैट एसिड. अगेन अ चॉकलेट क्वेश्चन. Who will tell me the name of that acid?
Amino acid. Amino acid.
No, that base. It is not acid, it is base. मैंने आपको बोला
सोडियम
मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशियम.
हाँ, ये हम सब पढ़ चुके हैं. मैग्नीशियम. यस, मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशिया हम पढ़ चुके हैं. आप लोग आज ही किसी घर में हीनो पढ़ा है, उठा के वो पैकेट देखो, उसके पीछे लिखा हुआ है मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशिया.
White powder.
हाँ, मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशिया लिखा हुआ है. इट इज मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. It is also known as antacid, which neutralizes the acidity of your stomach. तो अगर आपका डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में एसिड क्रिएट हुआ है तो उसको न्यूट्रलाइज करने के लिए एंटासिड है. Antacid has the property to neutralize pH of our stomach, and it antacid contain milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesium क्या है? Magnesia hydroxide. तो अब आपको एक importance तो पता चल गई. Please start with the writing part. Importance of pH in our daily life. लिखो. In our everyday life or daily life, just write down. Be quick. Yes.
Doesn't bile juice does this job?
बाइल जूस बच्चे वो तो कुछ और है. अगर ज्यादा एसिडिक क्रिएट हो ना तो बाइल जूस भी काम नहीं कर पाता. इफ देयर इज मोर ऑफ एसिडिटी इन आवर स्टमक.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
हाँ बच्चे नहीं. आई जस्ट आस्क यू टू राइट डाउन importance of pH in our daily life. Importance of pH in our daily life. तो इसमें सबसे पहले लिखो pH in our digestive system. What is the full form of HCl?
Hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric
Yes.
acid.
Yes. लिखो HCl in our stomach. Write down.
Ma'am, but after you said pH in our digestive system.
HCl in our stomach. HCl in our stomach helps in digestion of food. Helps in digestion of food. Excess of acid can be neutralized with the help of antacid. Excess of acid can be neutralized with the help of antacid.
Ma'am, could you please repeat after our stomach helps in digestion of food?
But your stomach helps in HCl produced in our stomach helps in digestion of food. Excess of acid can be neutralized with the help of antacid. ब्रैकेट में लिख लो मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशिया. मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशिया और फॉर्मूला लिख लेना डैश डाल के MgOH2. I've written it on the screen.
Ma'am, what do we have to write after milk of magnesia?
डैश डाल के लिखो MgOH2. I've written it on the screen बच्चे. Formula of milk of magnesia, magnesium hydroxide. And secondly, I told you about tooth decay. Tooth decay. Yes, what was the value? 5.5. 5.5 or less than 5.5?
Less than
Less than
Less than
5.5.
more than
No,
Less
never.
than.
more than
Less than
5.5.
No, it is less than. It is less than
Less than
5.5.
5.5.
Yes, either 5.5 or less than. Okay.
Less.
हाँ लिखो. नहीं दोनों हो सकते हैं. लिखो tooth decay caused by acid. So that is also a cause of concern. तो ये भी pH का importance है. Tooth decay caused by acid. तो इसमें लिखो Tooth decay starts when pH of mouth is lower than. Tooth decay starts when pH of mouth lowers than 5.5. और आयरनी सुनना, जो टूथ इनेमल होता है, जो व्हाइट पार्ट होता है, इट इज द हार्डेस्ट पार्ट इन आवर बॉडी. किसको पता था ये? टूथ इनेमल is the hardest part in the white part. Very good. Okay, many of you were aware of this. It is the hardest part in our body, tooth enamel, that is calcium phosphate. और उसी को कीड़ा लग जाता है. The tooth decay starts when pH of mouth less than 5.5. The bacteria present in the mouth degrades the food particle present in the mouth. Food particle present in the mouth. Write down the next point. Self-defense of animals and plants. Write down. Self-defense of plants and animals. Through chemical. Through chemical. अब कहते हैं कि प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स कुछ केमिकल रिलीज करते हैं which help in providing them defense. अगर आपको पता हो हनी बी का स्टिंग, ठीक है, हनी बी स्टिंग है, that produces an acid. अब आप लोगों ने याद करना है that acid is methanoic acid. वो जहर फैलाते हैं, पता है ना, कभी हमारे स्वोलन हो जाता है, कभी किसी के काटा येलो वेस्ट ने या फिर हनी बी ने.
Yes,
Anyone?
ma'am.
हाँ, तो आपने देखा है वो रीजन
Yes,
कितना
ma'am.
हाँ कितना लाल हो जाता है, कितना swollen हो जाता है. इट इज बिकॉज दे हैव प्रोड्यूस्ड एन एसिड. तो एसिड इज इंजेक्टेड इनटू आवर स्किन बाय द बी और एंट, और उसको रिमूव करने के लिए वी अप्लाई, यस ऑब्वियसली अगर एसिड है तो क्या अप्लाई करेंगे? बेस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ बेकिंग सोडा और कुछ भी जो भी आपको बेस लग रहा है, एनीथिंग व्हिच इज बेस. Same is the case with plants. Can anyone tell me कोई ऐसा पौधा जो जहर छोड़ता है?
मैम मशरूम्स होते हैं क्या सकते हैं?
बच्चे कभी किसी ने हिमाचल में सुना है बिच्छू बूटी?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, उसके हाथ लगाने से खुजली हो जाती है पूरी बॉडी में, शरीर में खारिश होनी शुरू हो जाती है. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज
Ma'am,
neem.
ivy plants also. I think.
Ivy, no. नहीं बच्चे, नीटल प्लांट्स होते हैं, नीटल प्लांट हो गए, और मैंने जो आपको बताया अट्रिका डायोका जो अभी बताया ना, बिच्छू बूटी, they are poisonous, they release some chemicals which causes irritation or itching. और नीटल प्लांट में तो बहुत बारीक छोटे 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 कंडे होते हैं जो आपकी स्किन पे लग जाएंगे और ये जहर छोड़ देते हैं. Okay, yes, hemlock, yes. There are few plants which releases these chemicals and they are poisonous or they are acidic. They cause lot of pain if they are touched accidentally. If these are touched accidentally, they cause lot of pain
Ma'am,
because
hemlock tree also.
yes, hemlock also. Because they produce an acid. Nettle, yes, nettle जो है ना, nettle plant, yes, it is there in your book. So they have small tiny hair which are chemical producing, and if you touch them, they'll cause lot of pain. Again, because of formation of methanoic acid or
Ma'am,
form.
poison hemlock.
Yes,
Poison hemlock.
yes, hemlock, yes, I said yes, yes. The formic acid, या फिर methanoic acid, that is an acid produced by the plants also. और इसके जो कहते हैं, जो ये अट्रिका डायोका जो मैंने अभी बताया, बिच्छू बूटी, अगर आप इसका इलाज चाहते हो तो इसके आसपास ही इतना इसका तोड़, इसी के साथ एक पौधा बड़ा सा एक लीफ होता है जिसको रब करना पड़ेगा, थोड़े रिलीफ मिलेगा और खारिश कम होगी. अदरवाइज यू हैव टू बियर दिस पेन फॉर 2 days. अनबियरेबल इचिंग, अनबियरेबल पेन. और समटाइम्स वी अप्लाई काउ डंग, गोबर को अप्लाई कर देते हैं, तो देन आल्सो यू गेट रिलीफ. बट the remedies are only natural remedies, are traditional remedies are used. Medicine खा लोगे तब भी itching कम नहीं होती. So this is in self defense. Write down third point, self defense of animals and plants through chemicals. Self defense of plants and animals through chemical. तो इसमें मैंने plants और chemical में लिख भी दिए हैं. Honey bee produces methanoic acid. और nettle plants again produces methanoic acid.
Ma'am, do we have to write this?
Yes, bacha, this is the third point. Honeybee produces methanoic acid. Nettle plant produces. तो प्लांट के केस में एग्जांपल आ गया नीटल प्लांट और हनी बी मिथेनोइक एसिड या फॉर्मिक एसिड. And to neutralize it, we have to apply a base like baking soda. I guess you enjoyed this class today, yes?
Yes, ma'am, very.
Yes, ma'am.
Bache, next class is going to be awesome. Please do not miss your next class because salts